Now you've given us a format to work on. See, otherwise we don't, earlier was ye kya kare. So at least we got a very systematic format. Aayenge and take them through one cycle of it. I think it'll comb most of the problems. And if something remains after this, okay, you have the sixth session. If he needs anything, they need additional resources to go through the common minimum program, whatever that is, whether we can provide them the resources, but at least this one set pattern will resolve at least a large number, and at least in the end we'll be left with what needs to be done. So thank you very much. At 5 sessions, one dose of whatever that is, I think.
Yeah, I'll go. So I really liked the whole structure, the pros and cons. I think that's the best thing, and also this whole counseling is more for their introspection, and you are not like telling them, but just giving them the tools to, and the whole exercise will make them more aware of themselves and the partner. So I think that's like, even if then first they then decide to move out, that's also okay. But just knowing yourself would be empowering by itself. So thank you for that. Thank you.
Yeah, I really learned a lot from the 4-day sessions that we had, and it has the whole has been the whole program has been, the whole course has been structured in a proper and a very detailed way. It has been really structured properly so that we can go in a very detailed manner with the clients, and I think it's going to really help me and the clients to come down to not talk vaguely about something, but really be very specific about things. That's what is, I think, is going to help. That's the most important part, like very specifically what you want, think about it, help them to think and come down to a certain point, not be absolutely vague, I don't want this and that, and all confusion like it always happens. But this is a very specific program, so that's very nice. I'm done.
Great. Ma'am, the whole workshop was really, really helpful. I mean, as I'm just pursuing my master's, so it is going to help me a lot in the future, of course. And then the whole workshop was very systematic and very detailed, and it was fun as well. You obviously kept some activities for us in the breakout rooms, and it was really fun to interact with other people and like to do this role play activities, and yeah. So it was really, really helpful, and I'm really grateful that I got to be a part of this whole workshop. So thank you.
Thank you. Who's going next?
Shall I?
Yes, Divya.
Okay. I actually feel a lot of information actually in this 4 days, and the thing is that there is a perfect diagnostic tool actually. People come and go, many comes, but we can diagnose them, we can point their problem actually. Till now I never had such a tool actually. Thanks a lot for that.
Very well. Thank you. I hope you are able to slide.
So my takeaway from this course will be this course was really in a structured manner, and the procedure, how to give the session to the client and everything, it was really structured, and it's really helpful. It's like in a small thing, it is a very small, it has become very small and easy for us to like go step by step and follow everything. So thank you so much. It will really help me in future, I know.
Lovely. Thank you.
This session is very helpful for me because of sometimes I thought that कि कैसे होगा यार ये, मतलब किसी का कोई प्रॉब्लम लेकर आया तो मैं कैसे सॉल्व करूँ, बट मैं खुद ही नहीं समझ पा रही थी how can I solve this problem. But when I go through the sessions and when I go through the strategies and all the CMP and all that, it was very much, it is actually very much clear, and I know now I know the path, how to start and where to go. Now I know the path definitely, and you are the best.